Hi guys, so today I'm going to go over sending crypto from your Arculus cold wallet back to the exchange. In my previous videos, I covered how to send crypto from an exchange to your cold wallet, and now we're going to do the other way around. So let's go. We're going to do this in a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to get our receiving address for the crypto that we want to send from the Arculus cold wallet back to the exchange. In this tutorial, I'm going to be sending over Ethereum because that's what I showed you guys how to send to Arculus. So I'm going to show you guys how to send Ethereum from the Arculus now back to the exchange, and I'm going to use Kraken as the exchange to do this tutorial. So the first thing we want to do is get our Ethereum receiving address to be able to copy that in our Arculus. So you have to go to the exchange you want to send the crypto to first. In this case, it's Kraken. So head over to Kraken, the very first one right there. Once you open Kraken, you'll probably be on your homepage, so go ahead and navigate to the portfolio section. In the portfolio section, you're going to be able to see these options: add money, receive crypto, withdraw. When we were sending Ethereum from Kraken to the Arculus, we selected withdraw, but now because we are sending crypto back to Kraken, back to the exchange, we're going to press receive crypto. Just a quick little detour. This is Coinbase. So for those of you who want to send crypto back to your Coinbase, you want to go ahead and press on deposit. And then once you press on deposit, it's going to be on your homepage. You can see the option to receive crypto. So you'll just select that and it'll be kind of the same steps from there. So now back to Kraken, I just pressed receive crypto. I get these options, and then there's the search bar at the very top where I can look up whatever crypto I want to get the receiving address for. In my case, it's Ethereum. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Ethereum right over here. Okay, so now it's asking me to select the network that I want to be depositing my Ethereum on. Remember, when I sent over my Ethereum to the Arculus, I sent it on the Ethereum network. So now I'm holding my Ethereum on Arculus on the Ethereum network, which means now I'm going to select the Ethereum network to be able to deposit that Ethereum on. This is super important because you want to make sure that the network your receiving address is on matches with the network that you're holding your crypto on your cold wallet. I'm holding my Ethereum on the Ethereum network on my Arculus, so I will 100% select the Ethereum network when I want to deposit my Ethereum back on the exchange. And then here we go. It's giving me my Ethereum receiving address on Kraken. I'm going to go ahead and press copy address. It is telling you that the network is Ethereum. Your minimum deposit has to be 0.004 Ethereum. And of course, at the bottom, it's giving you a warning to only deposit Ethereum from the Ethereum network using this address, or else you may lose your crypto. Now, once we copy this address, we want to head over to Arculus to send over our Ethereum. Okay, so first thing you want to do here is navigate to the Arculus cold wallet on your phone, the app, I should say. All right, and now I want to send over some Ethereum back to Kraken, right? So I want to navigate and look for my Ethereum. I have $10 of Ethereum. So yes, I want to send it out, right? I'm not receiving it to my Arculus. We already did that in another video. I now want to send it back to Kraken. So I'm going to press send. And remember the address that we just copied from the exchange? I want to paste it right over here. There we go. And you can always double check and confirm that you pasted in the correct receiving address. Now the amount here, I'm going to select max because I only have $10 on here. So we're going to send it all back to the exchange, and that is around 0.04. Remember, anything under that